Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking. In this series, we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs as they demonstrate how to prepare some of their favorite dishes. And now, here is today's host.
Hello, welcome to the Melting Pot Restaurant and Lounge.
Hi, thanks for hosting us today. And to our audience, welcome to Creative Cooking. Meet Tamika Edmondson, the food and beverage supervisor here at the Melting Pot Restaurant.
Okay, Mazie, let's take you inside.
I'd like you to share with our viewers the range of cuisines that are offered here in the Melting Pot Restaurant. I know you have a number of signature dishes. Tell us about it.
Okay, the Melting Pot Restaurant is actually a fine fusion of Caribbean as well as international cuisine.
Yes.
What you find here is that we offer a variety of dishes which the fusion brings about by offering local plus the international aspect of it. For example, we have our sugarcane scallops, which are sugarcane skewers of scallop, which is wrapped in black pepper bacon. We have our seafood roti wrap, which is also a variety of seafood dishes wrapped in roti and Indian curry, and here our local callaloo in Jamaica. We have a mushroom tofu ragu, which is done with coconut milk as opposed to, you know, your regular milk, which is from animals. So that can go for the strict vegans.
Okay, cool. Desserts. There's some mouth-watering desserts you offer here.
Most definitely. Right here we have one of our icebox cakes and one of our lovely mouth-watering apple pie.
And I'm certain you'd want me to add the Black Forest cake.
The Black Forest cake.
And the cheesecake, right?
Most definitely. We're very much known for that. Mazie, let me introduce you to Christopher Brown, who's one of our commis chefs.
Christopher, before we go to talk about what you're preparing for us, tell us about your plans for the future. I'd like to hear that.
Actually, I'm slowly making my way up to the top. Yeah, taking it step by step.
One day at a time, right?
Yeah, because I mean, if you rush too fast, then you're gonna miss out a lot on the way.
The slip and you might slide. Yeah. Very good. What are you cooking for us today?
Today I'll be making a roast corn and chicken quesadilla. Cut your chickens. I have my corn here. This can be done either on the range top or in the oven. Just saute this for about 45 seconds to a minute. That's my corn is ready. See? It's golden color right there. Real brown. I just allow it to cool. I add my diced chicken to my mayonnaise. It's 2 ounces of mayonnaise, cilantro, onion, 1 ounce of garlic, scallion. Here I've had some corn that I have already cooled. I'll just add to it. Just a pinch of salt and pepper, just to taste. You know, we have different tasting textures. You just do it to your taste. You simply toss that up there. Yeah, looking lovely there. Okay, let's toss them up right there. I'm using flour tortilla. Roti can also be used as well if you don't have the flour tortilla. Just spread them out in there evenly. Just apply it to 1/2 of the tortilla. And I'm using tasty cheddar cheese singles. Just apply your cheese singles right here. Yeah. Right there. And just fold them over, gentle like that. Just give them a little squeeze, just to get the edge. This can be done on the grill, in the oven, or on your range top. Here I'll be doing it on the range top. Okay? Right there, just allow it cool for a bit. I'm serving sour cream and Cajun season for my dip. Right. Just a pinch. Again, I say we have different tastes. So you just apply the amount to your taste. You toss them up, and your dip is ready to go. So, for time, I've prepared one, which I'll...
Hi, Christopher. I really
Yes.
like that presentation. You gave
Yes.
choices there.
Yeah.
You could use the oven, you could use a grill, and you could use on top of the stove.
Yeah.
And you and I know that most persons have top of the stove,
stove,
right? So
yeah.
use your frying pan
Yeah.
or your Dutch pot.
Yeah, whichever,
Perfect job.
yeah.
Perfect job. You prepared one ahead of
Yeah,
time.
here
Can we look
I
at
have
it?
one that I've prepared. Yeah, this is my same sour cream. I've just a little bit of parsley in there.
I must thank you for sharing a very creative meal idea.
Yes, Miss Mother.
It's different. Today's question from the mailbox asks that we share dip ideas. Christopher Brown has joined me for this segment of the program. And Christopher, can you imagine what's a chip without a dip? It's like nothing, eh?
Exactly.
Okay. Now, we're answering to the question, share ideas on dip ideas. And we'll begin by looking at what we have here.
Okay.
Here we have horseradish dip.
Yeah.
Right? And we're serving this with the
Yes,
chips we
it
have.
goes great
right?
with chips, yeah.
Over here, we have a mustard garlic with a little honey dip.
Yeah,
Can
yeah,
you
to
imagine?
put a
What
little,
a combination.
A little taste
Right.
to it there.
And over there we have Grace tomato ketchup. That's the base for that
That
dip
dip,
over
yeah.
there. We know that avocado is a main ingredient in the making of guacamole, but what are the other ingredients?
Yes, it's
Lime
along
juice?
with the
Yeah.
lime juice,
What else?
tomato, yeah, yeah, seeded tomatoes, pureed, yeah,
Yeah,
added to it, scallion,
Yes.
yeah, salt and pepper, yeah.
Just enough to taste.
Yeah,
and
just for your taste,
Right.
yeah, and you just blend it that and cilantro, which is a key ingredient in guacamole.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
Mexican, right?
Yeah.
And let's talk about dip. They
Yeah.
add flavor, they add color,
Yeah.
they
And
add
it-
texture to the dish, right?
Yeah, it makes your whether it's chips, whether it's carrot sticks, celery sticks, cucumber sticks, whatever it is, it just
Every
gives this-
Jamaican child, man,
yeah,
they take
it
chips,
just-
Grace tomato ketchup. Makes a
Yeah,
difference here.
yeah,
But let's
yeah.
look at a few other dips, huh?
Yeah, we have
We could combine the Grace
onion
tomato,
dip.
onion
Yeah,
dip,
onion
right?
dip is a great one. You have a ranch dip, which is not used very well, but it's a great dip to use.
Yogurt,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, yogurt you can
This
add.
one, is it to the yogurt?
Yeah.
You add a wee bit of nutmeg to that, and a
And
little
the
bit of cinnamon.
Ooh, yeah.
My
And
son,
yeah,
yes,
that's it.
very good stuff, very
Yeah,
good stuff.
yeah.
But quickly we have to talk about some dippers.
Yeah.
Some cucumber sticks,
Cucumber
right?
stick,
carrot
stick,
sticks,
celery stick,
yes.
zucchini sticks.
Zucchini, yes.
Yeah,
the
so-
fruits that are in season.
Yeah.
Once we prepare dips for them, the children will eat up the fruits
Yeah.
and vegetables that we have at home, right?
quite so.
Listen to me, I could talk to you forever, right? All right? But time is not going to allow us.
Yes,
Thanks
Miss
so
Miller.
much for sharing with
Yes,
us,
Miss Miller.
really,
It's
and
been
all
my
the
pleasure.
best as you climb up the ladder
Yes, I
to
will continue
success.
to do so.
You will, you will. That's our show for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Your questions and comments are always welcomed. Call, mail, or email them to Grace Kitchens. Till next time, thanks for watching.
This is Chef Season on Creative Cooking, and we hope you enjoyed today's show. Join us every Monday morning at 7:35 as we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs, demonstrating some of their favorite dishes here on Smile Jamaica, It's Morning Time. Chef Season continues next Monday morning on Creative Cooking, 7:35 on TVJ, and with a repeat at 2:50 p.m. every Sunday afternoon. Don't miss it.